All right, so we're here with Michael. He's going to be showing us some of the new gear that Bluetti has out. He's going to be walking us through it. So here's Michael now. Perfect.
Yeah, so this one is AC240. We're coming out with it. It's going to be 2,400 watts. So the capacity, it's a little bit lower than, say, like 200 PL, the other one over there. However, the reason why we chose 240 specifically, it's not just an arbitrary number.
Right.
So this unit is actually going to be one of the smallest portable power stations that you can get a 240 volt output from. Okay. So if you actually put two of these together, you'll be able to get a split phase output, so one phase each.
Cool, okay.
240 volts.
And I see you have the extended battery on the bottom here.
Yes, and so it does have a little bit of a cable right here. This is the battery expansion cable.
Right.
They twist real nice. Actually, these are some of the newer ones we got. I'll see if I can make it.
I know the ones that I've gotten from you guys all have like a plug on the side. You know, it's different.
Yeah, and so this one, it's a lot easier to slide in.
Yeah, you just slide it in and
struggling.
I do that on video all the time.
Yep.
I'm like, look how easy this is to move. Wait, hold on.
It's one hand. We're, performance anxiety. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Yeah, and then you will be able to get, so this is a new output. This is the 12 volt, 30 amps.
Oh, wow.
Very typical on some of our units that are like, RV ready. Because, obviously you do like the higher amps.
Right.
Then you have a lot of, so USB-C, USB-C, USB-A. There you go. Just, you can see that.
Cool. All right.
And you have two of the standard, I forget the
AC output.
Standard AC outlets.
Yep.
And then you do have
what is it? TT30?
Yes. Yeah.
Cool. That's really neat.
That's where you'll get the split phase output. Fortunately, right now we don't have a second one, but if we did, I would show you.
Okay.
Yeah, and so let's go walk over there.
All right, let's go walk over to the other side here and give you guys a good look at this booth. This is a huge booth, by the way. Hopefully you can see it all.
Glad you like the booth.
Yeah. I'm glad I could see it because I was walking along here going, where is everybody? All right, so we
there
got the Bluetti. This is, what's the model number on this one?
So this is called the Bluetti multi-cooler.
Multi-cooler, okay.
So yeah, this is a, we can call it a solar-powered fridge.
Yep.
So, you have a pretty big size compartment.
Now, are those individually controlled? Like that can be a freezer, that can be a fridge?
No. So this is just all like one compartment.
Okay.
However, you're talking about freezer. This is actually the ice compartment. So this is going to be, it's actually the first portable ice maker that uses running water.
Oh, cool, okay.
You can actually even control the size of the ice cubes within the app. Get big ones or smaller ones depending on.
Okay, cool.
Also, they want me to tell you this.
Okay.
Because it uses running water, the ice, it's all melted, but the ice comes out clear. And instead of, like cloudy ice, it comes out clear. And so when you put it in like sparkling water, drop it in sparkling water, it actually takes less of the carbonation than a regular ice cube.
Very cool.
Super small detail.
All right, Michael had to be called away. He needed to be in a meeting, but I am going to show you some of the bigger Bluetti units here. This is the EP800 energy storage system, and it comes with extendable batteries on it. It's got the wheels on it. Very, very cool stuff. 9,000 watts per little unit there. Okay, and of course you have the AC300, which is the 3,000 watter, and you see how these can all be kind of daisy chained together with those cables into a 3,072 watt hour unit. It's a battery 300S, and of course you have the AC500 over there for 5,000 watts. So these things are pretty impressive, and these little portable power stations we all started reviewing are kind of starting to grow up a bit, getting really, really big. All right, let's move on. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick look at everything here at Bluetti, and I will talk to you guys later.